Today we're making a whole wheat walnut loaf cake. It's dense, it's moist, it's loaded with walnuts, it's absolutely delicious. One and a half cups of sugar, a teaspoon of salt. Whisk those together until they're nice and fluffy. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Half a cup of oil. One and a half cups of whole wheat flour, 3/4 of a cup of white flour, 2.5 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix that in gently. Switching to a spoon because it's easier. At this point, I want to add half a cup of very finely chopped walnuts. Stir those in as well. About half a cup of water to this. Give it a good stir. A handful or so of more coarsely chopped walnuts, and mix those up as well. I'm preheating my oven to 350. I have a loaf pan here that I've lined with wax paper, and I've just greased and floured the sides. So we're going to take our batter and pop it in there. Crumb topping for it. Just to give it a little extra dimension, I'm going to take some finely chopped walnuts, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of white flour, a dash of oil, just a dash. I just want to bring it together with this. I want to add a dash of cinnamon to that. Bring that all together. Final touch to this is about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So we have a lovely crumb there. I'm going to bring our loaf cake back in, sprinkle our crumb on the top. Like I said, a very light crumb topping. We don't really want a heavy crumb on this. Just sprinkle it on there. There we go. Minor sprinkling of some walnuts here. Once you're done, pop it in the oven and bake at 350 until golden brown on top. This is so good, guys. You'll really enjoy it.